नमस्कार, प्रणाम, बहुत बहुत प्यार। मैं एसआरएल एस्ट्रोलॉजर सौमित्र बैनर्जी। My professional name is Sri Soumitra. I'm from Kolkata. I'm very pleased to join this course. I'm not still sure कि क्या होने वाला है, but in the open mind में I will try to learn new things because ये NLP, mind power, ये सब बहुत किताब मैंने पढ़े हुए हैं, टेलीपैथी ये सब बहुत पढ़े हुए हैं, but maybe due to lack of a proper guru ये काम नहीं हुआ मेरा. I didn't have a good experience. और तो ठीक है, I will keeping that aside. I will start with a clean slate. तो सर जैसे बोलेंगे I will completely with him. I will be submissive. Let's see क्या होता है. 3 दिन तो let's see, which will give me a glimpse of what is going to happen thereafter. ये एक बात है. Secondly, regarding myself, for 30 years I have been was in business of leather goods exports. So now more or less I have stopped the business. Now I am going into professional astrology. Not much, but slowly I am going into that. अब नया से बिजनेस करना, फैक्ट्री चलाना, ये सब करने का इच्छा नहीं है, but astrology yes, I will do. And also I am trying to develop a learning platform जहाँ पर various occult courses सिखाया जाएगा. It will be in Bengali. Bengali में occult सिखाने का कोई प्लेटफॉर्म है नहीं. Maybe if sir wants, he can also join. That's a वो बात की बात है. So this is what I am. और मेरा achievements तो क्या है, मामूली आदमी हूँ. कुछ achievements है, जैसे as an astrologer Bengal में, since I am not a very professional astrologer and because I don't advertise much, people don't know me as an astrologer, but they know me as those who are learning astrology. They know me because I have authored several books on astrology. जो ये सब स्कूल में जिसमें एस्ट्रोलॉजी पढ़ाया जाता है, वहाँ मेरा किताब they have introduced. So बंगाल में मैं पढ़ाने वाला एस्ट्रोलॉजर ज़्यादा जाना जाता हूँ, not as a professional astrologer, which I do, but not on a large scale.